Hello, yeah, it's me again. And so now I would like to talk about dyscalculia and the characteristics. So to begin with, dyscalculia is the challenge associated with numbers or mathematics or numeracy as we call it. The causes is not so much well known, and therefore for today allow me to talk about the characteristics or ways that you can identify someone is having a dyscalculia. Now for the small children, let me say children in preschool or pre-primary, see they have a problem in learning how to count and sequencing the numbers. They also have a problem in associating a number to items. Let's say for example, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 4 fruits or 4 books. Now the runner is unable to identify 4 items to number 4. The other one, they struggle in recognizing patterns, like arranging from the smallest to the largest, or what we call sorting according to size. Now, for those who have advanced a little bit in ages and then primary school or elementary, they have a difficulty in learning and recording basic number facts. This is where we say a number like 4 plus 5, it will be 9. And also 4 plus 5 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is also 9. They also have challenges in doing mental sums, where we expect them, according to their age, they should be able to add a simple statement or subtract a simple question. Let's say, for example, the 4 plus 9. For that one, you expect someone in primary school to work mentally. But for these children, this calculate them using their figures to count 4 plus 5, now they give you the answer as 9. They also have a challenge in identifying the signs, and sometimes they confuse between these signs. Let's say plus and multiplication, subtraction and division, lesser than and greater than, and the like. They have a challenge in identifying and using place value, and you often find them putting numbers in the wrong columns of the ones, tens, hundreds, and the rest. They may not understand math language, and therefore comprehending word problem becomes a big challenge for them. They have another challenge in finding it easier to identify the math facts. Let's say for example how you use the word put together. We expect them at their age and level of learning to identify that put together will mean add. So for them, it may be a challenge to identify the fact and use it appropriately. They have challenges in keeping scores. Let's say in sports or any other activity that needs one to tally and calculate the scores. They also have a challenge in calculating the total cost. Say you are doing money and you want them to calculate how much money someone used at the end of the shopping. They may avoid situations that require understanding of numbers, like playing games that involve mathematics. They struggle a lot as they grow older with understanding information in charts and graphs. And last but not least for today, they have problems in finding, let's say, perimeter using a different method. The previously taught method of calculating the perimeter by adding all sides, they find it difficult for them to say length plus width, then multiply by 2, it will give you the same answer. That's it for now. Keep tuned, more will be coming. Don't forget to subscribe.